Hello, and welcome to English with Sarah. I am Sarah, and I am so happy to start this amazing 10-day shadowing challenge with you. This challenge will change the way you speak English forever.
Hi, everyone. I'm Tom. Welcome to Day 1. Sarah, our students want to speak English fast and with a great accent. Why is this challenge so powerful for beginners?
Because we are using the shadowing technique, Tom. Shadowing means you listen to a phrase and repeat it immediately, like a shadow. It trains your mouth muscles, it stops you from translating in your head, and it builds real confidence.
Yes, you do not need deep grammar rules. You just need to listen, imitate our voices, and practice out loud. Today, we will learn the most important everyday phrases for beginners.
The system is simple. We will say a phrase very slowly first. Then you will hear it at a natural speed. After that, the voice will pause. That pause is your time to speak out loud. Let us begin our practice.
Phrase number 1. Listen slowly. Good morning. I hope you have a wonderful day. Natural speed. Good morning. I hope you have a wonderful day.
Incredible start. Phrase number 2. Listen slowly. Nice to meet you. My name is Sarah. Natural speed. Nice to meet you. My name is Sarah.
Great job. Phrase number 3. Listen to the slow rhythm. How is your day going so far? Natural speed. How is your day going so far?
Perfect energy. Phrase number 4. Listen slowly. I am a bit busy, but I feel great. Natural speed. I am a bit busy, but I feel great.
Keep going. Phrase number 5. Listen slowly. Thank you so much for your kind help. Natural speed. Thank you so much for your kind help.
Wonderful pronunciation. Phrase number 6. Listen slowly. Excuse me, can you repeat that, please? Natural speed. Excuse me, can you repeat that, please?
Very useful. Phrase number 7. Listen slowly. I'm sorry, I do not understand. Natural speed. I'm sorry, I do not understand.
Excellent honesty. Phrase number 8. Listen slowly. What do you think about this plan? Natural speed. What do you think about this plan?
Brilliant. Phrase number 9. Listen slowly. I agree with you completely on this. Natural speed. I agree with you completely on this.
Fantastic. Phrase number 10. Listen slowly. That sounds like a great idea. Natural speed. That sounds like a great idea.
You are amazing. Phrase number 11. Listen slowly. Where is the nearest coffee shop, please? Natural speed. Where is the nearest coffee shop, please?
Perfect for travel. Phrase number 12. Listen slowly. How much does this ticket cost? Natural speed. How much does this ticket cost?
Outstanding. Phrase number 13. Listen slowly. I need some help with my bags. Natural speed. I need some help with my bags.
Great control. Phrase number 14. Listen slowly. Can we meet at 5 o'clock today? Natural speed. Can we meet at 5 o'clock today?
You are a natural. Phrase number 15. Listen slowly. I'm looking forward to seeing you. Natural speed. I'm looking forward to seeing you.
Beautiful phrase. Phrase number 16. Listen slowly. Let me check my schedule for tomorrow. Natural speed. Let me check my schedule for tomorrow.
Incredible stamina. Phrase number 17. Listen slowly. It is very cold outside this morning. Natural speed. It's very cold outside this morning.
Superb! Phrase number 18. Listen slowly. I want to drink some warm tea. Natural speed. I want to drink some warm tea.
Almost there. Phrase number 19. Listen slowly. I decided to master English this year. Natural speed. I decided to master English this year.
Grand finale phrase. Phrase number 20. Listen slowly. Consistency is the secret key to success. Natural speed. Consistency is the secret key to success.
Wow, you completed 20 full daily phrases on your very first day. This is a massive victory for your English fluency. How do you feel, Sarah?
I am incredibly proud of everyone practicing here on English with Sarah. Remember, your mouth muscles might feel tired today, and that's a great sign. It means they're growing and adapting to natural English sounds.
Exactly. The best way to get fast results is to replay this video tonight and shadow these phrases one more time. Make sure to subscribe to English with Sarah, like this video, and comment down below, Day 1 done.
And now get ready for tomorrow. Day 2 is going to be absolutely thrilling. We are moving into a specific real-world situation. Tom, can you give them a little hint about tomorrow's episode?
Oh yes! Tomorrow, we're taking you inside a busy city restaurant and a major international airport. You'll learn the hidden phrases to order food like a native speaker and navigate any airport checkpoint smoothly without feeling nervous. You do not want to miss it.
Thank you so much for practicing with us today on English with Sarah. Keep listening, keep shadowing, and we'll see you tomorrow for Day 2. Bye-bye, everyone!
Goodbye, everyone. See you tomorrow.